When Job prayed for his friends, the Lord restored his fortunes, giving him twice as much as before. Job 42:10. Today's video is in collaboration with Francis, Carolyn, Tiffany, Brittany, and Shari. I am so excited to be doing this cleaning and cookie making collaboration with these women. I am so lucky to be in a relationship with each and every one of them. Also, guys, I kind of cheated. I am making pre-made cookies in today's video. I have several cookie videos coming up, and those videos will be basically made from scratch cookies. Give or take here and there, you know, I'm not perfect, but this video is super exciting, and I am so happy that each of these ladies said yes to doing this collaboration with me. I have Taya in the kitchen helping me today, and we are just going to go ahead and put these cookies on the cookie sheet. These are the Pillsbury Doughboy edible cookies. Like, you do not have to cook them before you eat them. So Taya's over there sneaking one. I was going to eat one. However, I did just have some pumpkin pie from Thanksgiving. So I decided I would wait until they were fully cooked, and then I was going to have one. So let's just keep on keeping on, ladies and gents. Tony, sister friend, I cannot take this beanie off. I love it. I'm not sure how many more videos I'm going to be wearing it in, but each video that I am wearing it in, I'm going to go ahead and give my girl a shout out. Thank you so much for this beanie, girl. I adore it. I know I've said it before in the past that the dishes are my 15-year-old's job. However, I decided today that I was just going to go ahead and do this myself, get it done right, and it really was not that bad. It took me probably 20 minutes, but that's because I was distracted with other things while doing this, having a conversation with my husband, having multiple conversations with my kids. Anyways, I got it done. Oh, that is why.
Little one's Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
snow on the grounds. Yes, we have snow up in the mountains, but we do not have snow down here in the valley, which is kind of a bummer, super close to Christmas, but hopefully it starts to snow soon. Down all of the countertops with my equal parts Pine Sol and water. If you have not used Pine Sol recently, I am telling you, it is the best cleaning agent and it smells divine. Just go out and buy it. Try the green one. I love it. My doodle dog is such a ham. Alrighty guys, cookies are done and cooled. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on this cute little green plate that I got from the dollar store. Check the dollar store out for anything that you need that isn't something that needs to be high priced or like the best top-notch thing. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have myself a cookie. Get my family some dinner.
Oh, puppy.
Oh,
hello. Oh, hello.
Oh, naughty dog. The cat does not like her.
I mean, she does sometimes, but...
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.
Bye. Get cooking.